I think that's one of my favorite things, is being able to pull up all of those manuals. That's where it's made my life a lot easier. Limble is the flat out best maintenance program you could possibly have. Don't spend your time looking at anything else. I've done the research for you. I've looked through multiple programs. You're going to be hard pressed to convince me that there's anything else better out there. So I'm Matt Burtz. I'm the maintenance director for Preferred Popcorn. We have 2 different facilities that I'm oversee here. I've been with Preferred Popcorn for almost a couple of years now. We were looking for a way to build our maintenance program. So we spent a lot of time going through those paper documents and sitting there going, what are we going to do with this? How are we going to make this actionable? Then I found out that we have a lot of stuff online in a SharePoint folder, but who knows it's there, and how do you access it, and how do you make it easy to use? So that's when I started digging into trying to see if there was a maintenance software out there. I did my typical Google search of best maintenance software. You know, I was like, what's the best? What's rated? Limble. Okay, let's try Limble. Let's see what they've got. I knew what I wanted at this point. Like, this is what I'm after. I would build a PM, I would build a work order, I would go out to that piece of equipment with my phone. That was the big factor, was mobile friendly, and go out, can I do this? And I would give it a test run. I would sit there and go, yep, oh, that's easy. Oh, yeah, that's easy. Oh, I need to make a change. Can I do it on my phone? Oh, I can make the change on my phone. I don't have to go back to the computer. And what I did on my phone was the same as what it was on the computer. I didn't feel like I had to learn 2 different programs. Some of these maintenance programs, you had to learn the computer side, you had to learn the phone side. It was hard, it was challenging, and it doesn't need to be that way. My job has enough challenges in the day that I don't need a maintenance program that's gonna make it more challenging for me. And I think that's one thing that I've loved about Limble, is the fact that I can make it my own. Being able to put all of our manuals accessible out on the floor has been huge. Everything that I have as far as documents, certifications on pieces of equipment, I've been able to go out and find and pull up parts manuals. I'm standing there, I'm looking at the piece, find the number, make a phone call, tell them the number, this is what I need, send it to me. Limble is the flat out best maintenance program you could possibly have. Don't spend your time looking at anything else. I've done the research for you. I've looked through multiple programs. You're going to be hard pressed to convince me that there's anything else better out there.